artificial intelligence. It's in your phone, your car, even recommending this video to you right now. But how does it actually work? In this video, we'll break down AI in the simplest way possible, no PhD required. AI, or artificial intelligence, is when machines are designed to think and learn like humans. But instead of neurons in the brain, they use code and math. At its core, AI is just a system that takes in information, learns patterns, and makes decisions. A simple way to imagine it is like a recipe. You put in ingredients, follow the steps, and get a result. Except in AI, the ingredients are data, the recipe is an algorithm, and the result is a prediction or a decision. AI needs data, and lots of it. Think of data as the food that fuels AI. The more data it eats, the smarter it gets. For example, to train an AI to recognize cats, you don't just give it one photo. You give it millions of cat photos until it learns what makes a cat a cat. The ears, the eyes, the whiskers, even the shape of the tail. Without data, AI is like a brain with no memories, empty and useless. This is where the magic happens. Machine learning is a method where AI looks at data, finds patterns, and improves over time without being directly programmed. It's like teaching a kid. You don't tell them every single rule. They learn by seeing examples and practicing. For example, if you want AI to predict house prices, you feed it thousands of examples of houses, their size, location, and price. Over time, it learns the relationship between those factors, and it can guess the price of a new house it has never seen before. To take it a step further, we have neural networks inspired by the human brain. Imagine layers of digital neurons, each one processing a tiny part of the information. Together, they can recognize faces, translate languages, or even create art. This is the technology behind voice assistants, facial recognition, and tools that generate music and images. Each layer of the network gets the data a little closer to the final answer, just like how our brains process sound, sight, and touch before making sense of the world. AI is already everywhere. It powers your social media feeds, voice assistants like Alexa, self-driving cars, and even medical scans that detect diseases. When YouTube recommends the next video, that's AI. When your car helps you park, that's AI. When a doctor uses software to spot cancer earlier, that's AI too. Sometimes you don't even notice it working in the background, but it's there, shaping decisions every day. So what's next? AI is getting smarter, faster, and more powerful. It might help cure diseases, fight climate change, and build smarter cities. But with power comes responsibility. Questions about ethics, privacy, and jobs are becoming more important every day. Will AI replace humans in some tasks? Will it always make fair and unbiased decisions? These are challenges society has to answer as AI continues to grow. AI isn't magic. It's math, data, and algorithms working together. Now you know how it really works. What do you think? Is AI the future savior of humanity or something we should fear? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.